Hello everybody, I'm Bob Jones. I'm here at the IMS 2024 show. Very excited to be talking with you about INRCORE. So INRCORE is a high reliability electronic components solutions provider. And when I say high reliability, we're serving customers with products for platforms that cannot fail. They're mission critical. And so think of platforms like, or market segments like space, commercial aerospace, medical, defense, automotive, energy, anywhere where a product can't fail. And so that's what we specialize in. INRCORE is made up of 10 different business units, 4 of which are here today, and we call these business units our family of brands. And that's because each of the business units is uniquely represented still, even though they're an INRCORE company, by their brand name. And that's because our customers know those brand names because they're best in class for the components that they provide and have helped customers over a very rich history solve some very challenging problems. So we continue to let those brands shine. We're very proud of that. And again, I'm excited to talk about 4 of those different brands that we have here today. So across the entire portfolio, we have commercial product offerings as well as custom product offerings. So we really are in business to help serve our customers, and some of the different product types that we have inductors, we have transformers, signal products, we do filters, we also do resistors and capacitors. And so when I say kind of each of those different types of components, you may think, well, these are commodity components, and in some cases that might be true, but that isn't really what INRCORE does and what the INRCORE family of brands does. We're focused actually, what we're experts in is in high mix, low volume production, and taking that and working closely with customers to taking those products into high volume production. And so a lot of times that starts off with engineer to engineer discussion and collaboration, and then identifying a problem. Maybe the engineer or the product manager can go and use something we have in our catalog, or maybe they can, and if they can't, then we have those engineer to engineer discussions, we identify the problem, and then we work closely to provide a unique solution, and then work with the customer over time to pull cost out and turn that into high volume production and manufacturing. So again, I mentioned we have 4 different business units or 4 different brands here, which I'm really happy to talk about. So we have Gowanda Electronic Components, we have TTE Filters, we have Vanguard Electronics, and we have PPI or Passive Plus, which is a capacitor manufacturer. And so I'm going to highlight just a little bit about each of those different brands, and some of the products that they're showing here. And what's exciting, I mentioned about how we have a broad range of different market segments we serve, but within those, a lot of those applications, we have RF and microwave applications. So it's really a great tie to the show and why we're excited to be here at this particular conference. So starting off with Gowanda Electronic Components. So Gowanda is a magnetics manufacturer. Again, a broad catalog of solutions as well as customized solutions. And so here, Gowanda is showing off on the microwave side their different conical product offerings, and you can see there's one of the very small conicals. They offer sizes as small as 0402 and larger. They also have a wide variety of catalog offerings, again, as well as customized offerings depending on what our customers are in need of. So Gowanda also does RF inductors, and so again, a variety of different sizes from 0402, 0603, 0805, and 1080 sizes, as well as customized sizes that are available. So that's just a little bit about Gowanda and what Gowanda is showing today. So stepping over to TTE. So TTE is a filter manufacturer. They've been in business since 1956. They offer, again, a catalog products with a wide range of commonly available frequencies, as well as thousands and thousands of designs through their rich history that they can pull on to help find customers get customized solutions. And so here we're seeing TTE offers some different types of filters, from band pass, low pass, high pass, band reject filters, just to name a few, which are very useful in RF and microwave applications. And then within that, they offer some different filter topologies from elliptical to Chevy Chev and Butterworth, just to name a few. And so TTE, again, they focus on rapid turnaround. So whether it's a custom design or it's a catalog product, they have industry-leading turn times to get solutions to customers, and are really excited to work with customers and see how they can serve them and provide them the filters they need for their applications. So that's TTE. We also have Vanguard Electronics, and so Vanguard is showcasing a number of different products here. So they have RF beads. And so RF beads are used in EMI and RFI suppression applications. They're also showing off here at the show a wideband transformer, which is space grade and can be, a lot of times, is getting partnered up or with a high-speed digital to analog converters. And so also they're introducing at the show a new Balun product, which is just shown here. And so really excited to have Vanguard Electronics here as part of the overall family of brands. And then new joining us this year, and the last business I want to highlight is PPI, so Passive Plus. So Passive Plus, again, we split our booth, and so the first side here is more of the magnetics and filters. The second side on the other side is really our capacitor line, which is what Passive Plus does. And so Passive Plus focuses on high Q capacitors with low ESR, and they do multi-layer ceramic as well as single layer options. They also can support high voltage applications, and so a wide variety of capacitor applications. Again, just as with all the other different brands within the family, they're supporting military, aerospace, defense, semiconductors, so some industrial applications as well. And so we're really excited to have PPI joining us this year at the IMS show. That's just highlighted some of the different products we have. Again, just to highlight, we're here to help customers. That's what we're here to do at the IMS show, to talk about the different microwave and RF applications. We can do that with our catalog products. We can do that with custom products. But we're very excited to be here and reach out. And you can find us on the web at www.INRCORE, which is INRCORE.com. And there you can find our different family of brands. You can find contact information. Again, we're super excited to have a chance to talk with you and hope that we have a chance to help you with your electronic component challenges. Thank you.